Hello, once again, everyone. Welcome to this week's Elevate Your Business Weekly Wisdom. Today, we're unlocking the secret to sustainable growth, combining KPIs, or key performance indicators, and KRAs, or key result areas, for measurable business success. Let's be honest, many businesses struggle to connect daily actions to big picture goals. The result? Teams work hard, but not always on what matters most. So, how do metrics help? KRAs define the strategic areas where results are crucial, while KPIs measure progress in those areas. When you align them, you create clarity, accountability, and momentum. Here are a few best practices to consider. Link every KPI to a specific KRA. This ensures that what you measure truly matters. For example, if your KRA is customer satisfaction, your KPI could be your Net Promoter Score. Use SMART metrics. Make your KPI specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. This keeps your team focused and motivated. And review and refine regularly, because business is dynamic. Set monthly reviews to ensure your KPIs and KRAs stay relevant. What happens when you do this? Companies that align KPIs and KRAs see up to 42% higher employee engagement and 30% faster revenue growth. Teams know exactly how their work drives business results, boosting morale and productivity. To sum up, when you connect what you measure, KPIs, to what matters most, KRAs, you create a culture of clarity, ownership, and results. Take a moment this week to review your metrics. Are they driving the outcomes you want? Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Let's elevate your business, one metric at a time. To wrap this weekly wisdom up, KPIs and KRAs are your business's GPS guiding your every action towards your most important goals. By linking them using SMART metrics and reviewing regularly, you build a culture of clarity and achievement. Take this time this week to check, are your metrics working for you or just filling out a report? Remember, small improvements in what you measure can lead to big results. Keep elevating your business, one wise step at a time. Have a great week, everyone.